How to redirect GoDaddy domain to another website, any other website. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to allow yourself to do this, what you are going to be doing is you're going to go ahead into your GoDaddy website as so. Now, once you're in your GoDaddy website, what you're going to want to do from here is basically you're going to go ahead into the main URL section up here. And once you're in the URL section, what you're going to do from here on out is you're going to go ahead into your domain section. Let's say I'm going to go with any domain. I'm going to search it up. So I want this domain, let's say. So hiohi.co is available, and I can take this, okay? So basically, you're going to click on make it yours. And once you make it yours, how are you going to redirect this? So once you've made it yours, you're going to come over here into your account. You're going to go into my products, and you're going to add, subdomains to this domain. So that will basically redirect it to any other website. So let's say I have this blogger page over here. You can copy your URL for your blogger, add it to this subdomain, and redirect it. Or what you can better yet do, you're going to come into settings. And once you come into settings, you can come into publishing as well and add your subdomains in this fallback subdomain. So yeah, basically that is how you can add different subdomains for your publishing as well. So basically that is about it. That is how you're going to allow yourself to redirect custom domains and all. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.